So today we're going to talk about how fiber gets to your home and the journey and the path it takes from our main backbone line to your residence. So let's break down the fiber installation process into 3 key steps. Our first step is us coming out and installing and building in the neighborhood. We'll install conduits underground as a pack, and then we'll actually come in and install our fiber lines throughout the neighborhood. The second step would be once service is ordered, we'll come out and we'll actually dig from our existing lines out in the neighborhood to the home and install a unit, an ONT, which is an optical network terminal on the outside or inside of the home. That actually provides fiber service to the home. Step after that would be activating service. Our technicians will come in the home, install a router, program the router, and activate all the devices and make sure the internet's working. I hope this video was helpful and it gave you a clear picture of the installation process. If you want honestly awesome internet from Wired Fiber, click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.